Do you want to pass H35-211 V2.5 ENU HCIP-Access V2.5 certification exam? Updated Huawei H35-211 V2.5 ENU dumps questions of DumpsBase are available as the good online resource for good preparation. DumpsBase H35-211 V2.5 ENU exam dumps for the HCIP-Access V2.5 exam preparation comes in PDF format and free testing engine. You can read the most updated Huawei H35-211 V2.5 ENU exam dumps questions and answers easily, and then you can be guaranteed to pass the actual HCIP-Access V2.5 exam in the first attempt. This video shares several H35-211 V2.5 ENU free dump questions, which help you check the quality of updated Huawei H35-211 V2.5 ENU dumps questions of DumpsBase. Question number 1. After the ONU is powered on, the unconfigured ONU cannot be automatically discovered on the OLT. What is the reason for the impossibility? A. The actual distance from the ONU to the OLT is outside the range of the distance compensation distance configured by the OLT. B. ONU hardware failure. C. Unplanned ONU ID. D. There is a rogue ONU, which interferes with other ONU and cannot work normally. Answer. C. Question number 2. In the gpon system, in order to ensure the priority forwarding of important services, which queue scheduling method is recommended? A. DWRR. B. SQ. C. GQ. D. PQ. Answer. D. Question number 3. Deploying QoS can solve the problem of user service quality in the process of network communication. Its purpose does not include A. Control the number of concurrent users. B. Regulating the traffic of the IP network. C. Avoid and manage network congestion. D. Reduce the loss rate of packets. Answer. A. Question number 4. Which of the following options is correct about congestion management? A. When using the DWRR method, the weight ratio of each queue can be adjusted, but the total size is a fixed value. B. When using the PQ mode, if the packet carrying priority is higher, the time it is sent from the port will be earlier. C. If the low priority queue uses PQ and the high priority queue uses DWRR, the packets in the low priority queue will be sent first. D. When using DWRR, the larger the packet size, the larger the actual egress bandwidth obtained. Answer. B. Question number 5. During the implementation of QoS for home broadband services, the DBA Speed Limit function is configured. Where is it taking effect? A. ONU. B. OLT. C. BRAS. D. ODN. Answer B. Question number 6. When configuring the multicast service on the MA5600T per mega-ampere 5680T, the Multicast WLAN program adopts the static configuration mode. Which of the following options must be configured? Otherwise the multicast program may not be able to be viewed. A. IGMP priority. B. IGMP profile. C. IGMP program. D. IGMP preview. Answer C. Question number 7. The GPON system can realize the security of Internet service data forwarding. Which one is wrong in the description of the data security plan? A. It is recommended to use the QINQVLAN attribute for the SVLAN on the OLT, which is convenient for users to deploy PPPoE+, Opton 82, MAC anti-attack, anti-spoofing and other security features. B. The outer SVLAN can be allocated based on OLT equipment, PON board or PON port. C. It is recommended that the value of CVLAN be associated with the PON port, optical splitter and ONU port to ensure the uniqueness of CVLAN and facilitate positioning. D. Based on refined QoS control and management of users and services, Internet access services should be planned in the way of PUPSPV, per user per service per VLAN. Answer C. Question number 8. Which of the following descriptions is wrong about how time delay mode works? A. From the switching relationship, the access device is in the active position in the switching of the time delay protection group. After detecting the fault of the working port, it immediately starts the switching according to the detection result. B. The links in the protection group are in traffic load balancing mode. C. After the OLT detects the failure of the working port, it will not immediately switch the service to the protection link. D. Immediately open the protection port when the access device is switched. Answer C. Question number 9. Which of the following descriptions about the type of Ethernet link aggregation group is wrong? A. When all connected devices support the LACP protocol, it is recommended to use LACP aggregation. B. Static aggregation needs to run the LACP protocol. C. The aggregation group types supported by the device include manual aggregation and static aggregation. D. Manual aggregation needs to run the LACP protocol. Answer D. Question number 10. In the Type C protection mode, which switching type is not supported? A. Forced switching. B. Semi-automatic switching. C. Manual switching. D. Automatic switching. Answer C.